Lead with the heel of the guided leg into alignment. And I can either leave the launch leg here in L, or I can squeeze it into my chest. Whatever feels good to you.
As you begin your hop, start with your shoulders stacked over your wrists, so your hips and then your lead leg find alignment over top of them. And now scissor switch your legs. Guide leg comes back up top, gently, intentionally stepping down. And practicing our entrance from downward facing dog, moving forward, shoulders stack, finding a float and a kick switch, maybe even a toe tap as we lower down as slow as possible. Gently tapping the back foot down. Inhale, reach your hands up, crescent lunge. As you return through your vinyasa, another opportunity for a hop, a kick switch, a moment to find balance. And now lowering down through chaturanga, move forward. Remembering opportunities are endless as you move forward from downward facing dog to integrate the handstand. And get some more time on your hands. Practice both sides. This time we'll lower through half moon pose. And continue to empower ourselves to integrate our handstands throughout our practice.